And now for the news in detail. The Meghalaya SSA Schools Association, led by President Aristotle Rimbai, convened a general meeting at Students' Field, Jayau, to discuss the job security of SSA teachers. The association proposed the formation of an empowered committee by the state government comprising representatives from key departments including law, personal finance, planning, education, and the association to develop a comprehensive policy. The association decided to withdraw its planned protest in favor of constructive talks.
He will call a meeting as far as SSA teachers issue is. SSA teachers friends, those who are in other association. And the Honorable Chief Minister also in Manitoba. Bahadin kajing kendo kami
tara kawe kasur unanimously ngin shim ya karai ba nginom pteng sho ya kajing ki henre ingin pteng ya kajing kren bat ka sorkar kabaar ngila shim ya karai ba hakapai dei bat kini kinong hikai ki padang dei banile ya ka emtet ngi ngila shim ya karai ba mantakas ngi ba ka sorkar kan an consider ya baro kinong hikai SSE ki ba join hal nishwa ka shitrik ubna Julai 2000 arpo kabalai karai kabangila shim kalong bangin ajmud ya ka sorkar bakan thungno ya ka empower committee but kit khot jong kan ka empower committee kindai na po law department, personal department, finance department, planning department, education department but kuntubro na ka association but